Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. And these here are the AirPods Pro. So this is the new AirPods Pro that Apple just released last week. It is following the AirPods 2 that Apple released earlier this year. So today I want to just give you guys my early impressions of the AirPods 2 Pro, of the AirPods Pro, and what I think about them. So first off, of course, let's talk about the case. So the case now instead is it's still really small. It still fits in your pocket perfectly, but instead of being long from this side, it's a little bit longer now from these sides instead. And it doesn't make that much of a difference. But yeah, it's really nice and it's small still. And the awesome thing about this case is that it does support the wireless Qi charging. So if you have a wireless charging pad, you could place these on them. And of course, they still support the lightning cable one, which for some reason I don't know why Apple still has not supported the USB Type C ones instead, since this is a Pro product that Apple is releasing. So I think you guys want to know in thoughts of the AirPods Pro and what they look like. So you probably already saw a bunch of videos on YouTube now of people unboxing the AirPods Pro. I'm not going to be unboxing them because you probably already know what's inside them. But like I said, this is an early impressions video of them. So this is how they look. They look pretty cool. There we go. It's finally focused. So yeah, they look really cool. What I like about these is that they are smaller from the stem there. So they're not as big as before and longer here. They were able to make them much more smaller. And yeah, it just really cool how they look. And of course, they do remind me of I forgot what the Pokemon's name is, but you probably saw a lot of pictures of the AirPods Pro being compared to that Pokemon. I will post a picture of that Pokemon in the video here. So yeah, they look really cool. And so they have a new design, these AirPods Pro, so that's why the case does have a different design as well. So like I said, they have a smaller stem, but they have a little chubbier thing inside here because these AirPods Pro support noise cancellation. Now I haven't been able really to test out the noise cancellation really far, so that's why this is not a review and I'm going to be not talking about the noise cancellation. But yeah, they support noise cancellation and that's why they look like that. So yeah, they look really cool. I really want to test out the noise cancellation, so stay tuned for that review video as well of the AirPods Pro and what I think about the noise cancellation. But playing around with them and just wearing them here around the house and everything, they do sound really good. But yeah, the noise cancellation I can't really test out because it's not really that loud in here. There's no like background noise too much since it is a quiet place. So there's no point of testing out the noise cancellations inside here. But yeah, really awesome. Are a little bit more expensive, of course, since they have that Pro name to it that Apple likes to add to their products. But yeah, I'm a big fan of the AirPods. I've been a big fan since the first generation ones, and then of course I got the earlier ones, the AirPods 2, and now of course the AirPods Pro here. And of course, like always with the Apple Magic Touch, it's really easy to connect to your Apple product. So if you have your iPhone, you just have to open it up once, and then of course it will automatically connect to your iPhone 11 or any other iPhone. So that's pretty much it, guys, for my early impressions video of the AirPods Pro. They do come with three different types of tips here they could change. The default ones that they come in fit perfectly for me. But yeah, they have three other designs that you could try out. And if you do lose them and all that, you could buy some extra ones from Apple as well, which I have not found on their website. But I'm going to keep looking in their websites to see how much they cost and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for my early impression video of the AirPods Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys enjoyed this video and want to keep up with me and all the other videos I upload, Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.